Hey guys, we're back in Inventor today and we are going to learn about the Revolve command. So the Revolve command is up here in your 3D model tab, but we're going to learn what it takes to create a simple revolve. So what I'm going to do is I've opened up a new part and I'm going to start a sketch. So whenever I start a sketch, you've got your three different profile planes that you can select. I usually select the one standing up at this point, just orienting in regular space as I think about it. But again, we're going to go with the XY plane. So I've selected my XY plane, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the two elements that you need in order to create your revolve. So the two elements that you need in order to create this revolve is the first, which is an axis. Okay, so what are you going to rotate that object around? And then second one is the profile. The profile is the shape that you want to rotate around that axis. So what I've got first is I'm going to draw a line. We're going to make something pretty small here. So what I'm going to do is just keep it at an inch. And then I will press escape to end that command. And then I'm going to click and select my line that I've drawn. I'm going to right click it. And when I right click it, I have all these options so I can change it to center line, construction, undo or delete it. I'm going to change this to center line. And again, that's just signifying that that is my axis. So I'm going to make what we are going to refer to as a little bit of a washer with some different features to it. But understand it's still going to rotate around this axis. So now I'm going to go back up here, select my line tool, and I'm going to create basically just a simple profile. And I'm creating this with no real dimensions right now because of time constraints. So I'm going to go up. I'm going to line this one with my axis there. And I'm going to create just a simple flanged washer of some sort. Again, this shape is up to you. You are the one behind this one. So I've got my profile created. I've clicked escape and that has finished my command. I'm still not done with my sketch yet, but as you can see, I have got a closed loop. Okay, so I've got this closed loop again. All these points are connected and everything is good to go there. So like I said before, we've got our axis, which we're going to rotate around, or our axle, whatever you'd like to call it. And then we have got our profile. So I'm going to finish my sketch. Once I've finished my sketch, I've got the 2 points that I need to create this revolve. I'm going to go up to 3D model, select my revolve. And again, you'll see that it automatically creates it for you because you already have the two pieces necessary. This is really awesome about Inventor because it will do this for you on your own. But just to show you, I've got these two boxes right here. It tells me to select my profile. So first of all, I'm going to select my profile. And as you'll see, this blue line underneath the red font tells you which mode you're in and what you need to do. So I've got my select profile, and I'm going to select my profile. And then for second one, for my axis, okay, it's still selected my profile right here. As you'll see, it's turned blue, and it's telling me now to select my axis. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select what I want to rotate it around. So once I select what I rotate around, you have a number of different things you can do here in the behaviors tab. You've also got advanced properties. If you only want to rotate this thing 180 degrees, you can do so. It's only going to give you half. If you want 90 degrees, you can get very, very specific. You can change your direction. You can go to a full rotation. You can rotate it up to another surface. And again, if you want symmetrical, asymmetric, there's a number of different things you can do here, and those are pretty much similar to all your other 3D model things, such as extrude, sweep, fillet hole. A lot of those things are the same thing, and you're going to see that that also translates into your revolve. So once I click OK, I have now got my revolved shape. And again, I've basically just got what is a flanged washer of some sort. But again, what we've got here is we've got a revolve. And if I want to edit that, I can go back in here to my revolution. I can edit my sketch. And guess what? We are right back here to our axis and our profile. Again, those are the two things that you need to create your revolve. And once you have done that, you are ready to revolve.